Welcome to the future of architectural elegance and safety. We are excited to introduce our latest railing innovation, Greco's Alumiview. In a world where form meets function and innovation blends seamlessly with aesthetics, Alumiview redefines what's possible in the realm of glass railing systems. The true beauty of Alumiview is the component design and ease of installation. The optional custom machined top cap can be riveted, screwed, or adhered to the post. The radial glazing inserts slide in and out of the guardrail post with a small section of the material cut to the proper length to allow the glass to provide a gap underneath the desired distance, allowing water to leave the balcony. The post is fastened to the base plates with 3 1/8-inch stainless steel machine bolts for a solid and resistant assembly. The base plate and complete assembly are attached to the concrete or wood substrate with 3 1/8-inch stainless steel LDT or lag bolts, providing secure and resistant attachment. The glass of choice then simply slides into the glazing insert either from the top or into the side, determined by the particular project design. The Alumiview guardrail system is not only an elegant railing design that will enhance any space, but it's easy to install, and most importantly safe and secure, made with only the highest quality of materials. Alumiview's assembly and installation is easy enough for the do-it-yourselfer or the large high-rise project where time and efficiency is critical. For more information about Alumiview, visit our website, or better yet, call our sales team to get pricing on your next projects. If you are a wholesaler and interested in stocking the Alumiview system, contact our support team.